Breathe in, breathe out. One more set, no doubt. Tension builds, pain shouts, but I don't break, I max out. They watch, they walk, they choke, but when the waves go up, they choke. They're afraid they words you smoke. It's in the fight when you're under the yoke. Bar bends, but I don't fold. Push through when the sweat turns cold. Game stack, stories told. Iron written, legends old. They watch, they talk, they joke. When the waves go up, they choke. Slay pain in words you spoke. It's in the fight when you're under the yoke. It's just a moment, and victory is forever. Every woman, every drop of sweat, every sweat, every feel like quitting. That's what champions do day to night. No shortcuts, no race builds. Under pressure I don't break. Let's go up, raise the stakes. Winners rise, cowards fake. Put the work away. I'm awake. I'm called, I never run. Sweat burns, I feel the sun. Hate talk, I get it done. Every set, war begun. No talk, just the grind. Reload, let walk. Sharp line, stay aligned. Keep going. Said